So now we're going to look at the next question. So we're going through with the same brief as for the storyboard question, which is for these VR rides. So the question says, publicity for the ride will require the capturing of images of the ride and park to use in various leaflets and posters. Create a mind map that can be used by the production team to help plan the capturing and editing of these images. Now, again, it's not the best example, this one. It's quite a difficult one. So it needs images of the ride and the park for leaflets and posters. So you are doing a mind map. So if I zoom out slightly, you do need to be using your nodes, sub-nodes, topic nodes, things like that. So we'll start off with how you should go about it from the first part, is getting your structure correct, okay? So what you want to be doing is start off with your central node. So we'll just say it's leaflets and posters, so got poster images. Then you want to go with your topic nodes next. So you might say locations. You might say camera types. You might want to go with facilities. So you might say like got facilities, and finally you might have something like rides. So you've got your topic nodes, so you've got your central node and you've got your topic nodes. So now you want your final nodes on there. So central node, topic node, and then you've got your normal nodes, okay? So camera types, we might say we're going to use a DSLR. So that's your digital camera, ones you can take the lenses off. You might use a bridge camera. You might choose phone, or you might choose normal digital. You might go further with this and say so what I've written there is a macro lens, which is for close-up ones, and I've got a telescopic lens for zooming in. I'm going to need a good camera on the phone. Locations, well, we're going to want the park entrance. You're going to want, let's just double check the brief again. So it's for leaflets and posters. You might want to look at a picture of the logo. Let's take a photo of like one of the signs. And let's say we'll have maybe the park, that ride being built, so the building part, to show the development. Facilities, you might want to put, the food and drink areas. So there's locations for your posters. I've got camera types, that's your technical. I've got some locations. What's a new one called? The UK progression, is it something like that? So I might say roller coaster. I'm going to put a shot in there, so first person. I might say what's another type of ride? You've got the Big Ben style that go up and down. So I'm just going to put Big Ben. I think that's a whole thing now. Big Ben, I'm going to say wide shot. I'm going to stick titles on there, not like you could have titles on the poster. You might even put some themes on there, so I might go topic of theme. Go fast and exciting. If I'm honest with you, there's not tons more to go. If I look at the mark scheme, which I'm going to read out because I have on the screen at the minute, is you get points for having a recognisable diagram structure. We've got that because we've got our subnodes, topic nodes, things like that. Content relevant to park facilities. We've spoken about rides, food and drink and toilets. Content relevant to image capture equipment. So I've talked about different types of cameras. Suitable detail annotation. I think we've got that there. And a logical sequence of your nodes and subnodes. So remember, you've got, I'm just going to change my pen color for this one. You've got your central node. So central node. I've got a topic node, topic node, topic node. Technically that's a topic node as well. And a topic node. Then you've got your subnodes, subnodes, and sometimes you got a subnode and then another subnode. Okay, so you got your topic node, node, subnodes, and then sometimes you even have nodes coming off nodes. But as long as you've got that recognizable structure like we've got, that's going to be full marks. There's never many more marks than 7 marks. Okay, so I would say it definitely gets you it for diagram structure, relevant content, park facilities, image capture content, suitably annotated, and it's a logical sequence. So 7 marks.